The majority of people think that drugs like Viagra are the only treatment for problems with men's sexual function and performance. But homemade, natural treatment works just as well, if not better. This is so because the ingredients in this cure aphrodisiacs stimulate sensations of lust. Here's how to prepare Viagra at home. Components: squeezed lemon juice, right away watermelon. Getting ready: dice the watermelon into small bits. Blend the watermelon pieces until you have around a liter of watermelon juice. Pour the juice into a pot and bring to a boil, stirring occasionally. Mix the watermelon juice with the lemon juice. Thoroughly combine the juices and bring to a boil until the liquid is reduced by half. Let the mixture cool for an hour by setting it aside. Transfer the juice to a sanitized glass bottle and refrigerate. Watermelon has many health benefits. In particular, it has citrulline and lycopene for sexual health. These two nutrients enhance your sexual performance and are aphrodisiacs. Limiting your intake of sweets and salts before consuming this combo can help to maximize its effects. Sip this beverage in any quantity, ranging from 2 tablespoons to 1/3 of a cup. This can be taken in the evening, first thing in the morning, or empty stomach. Regular consumption will quickly result in an improvement in your sexual performance and potency. This beverage is beneficial for both genders, regardless of age. Give the video a thumbs up and tell your friends about it if you enjoy it.